Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I'm Frank Bruno. I'm an attorney in New York. I handle estate planning, probate, and guardianship. Today I'd like to talk to you about what you should do if you are appointed a guardian. But first, let me tell you how to reach me. If you'd like to make an appointment, please go to callfrankbruno.com and schedule an appointment. You'll find my calendar there. Otherwise, you can look at my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Well, what would you do if you were appointed a guardian? Well, do we know what a guardianship is? Let me tell you a little bit about that. Guardianship is the legal relationship between a competent adult and an adult that based on their mental ability, their mental status, is not able to properly care for themselves. They have an incapacity of some kind, and the court has observed that because there was an application and there was a hearing, and they've determined that another adult should be their guardian. Well, what would you do if you were that person that was appointed as the guardian? Well, the first thing you need to do is read the order of the court. Take a look at what instructions, what guidance, what direction the court has given you. That's number one. The second thing to realize is that it's a great responsibility, and you have to file reports. At the outset, you have to file an inventory. That's within a prescribed period of time. You have to take a look at the assets of your ward and determine what they are, or write it down and file that with the court. After that initial inventory, that initial accounting, you then have to file annual accountings. Just like we file taxes every year, you have to file annually with the court. Now you have to remember, you have a fiduciary duty to your ward. You have to act in their best interests, safeguard their assets, tend to their both personal and financial life. What else? You should consult with your ward. Even if the person has incapacity, you are definitely required to see the ward a minimum of 4 times a year. Most often I see people that either live with their ward or see them weekly. But you need to consult with the ward, take into account their thoughts and feelings and their position on different things. And also, don't limit your ward's social interaction. Allow the ward to have friends, have social events, get out in the fresh air, give vacations to the ward. You really need to do what's in that person's best interest. So if you have any questions about guardianship or any other related matter, please contact me. I can be reached at callfrankbruno.com. Thank you very much.